Selamat datang ke Lam Interior Design, di mana rumah impian anda menjadi kenyataan. Dari konsep hingga siap, kami menawarkan pengalaman pengubahsuaian yang lancar yang disesuaikan dengan keperluan anda. Alami ketukangan kualiti yang tiada tandingan, ketelusan dan dedikasi dengan Lam Interior Design. Jom ubah ruang anda menjadi sesuatu yang luar biasa.
In a world of tones with colors wrong, creating spaces, turning houses into homes with a brush of style. We'll paint your dreams, transforming rooms with vibrant themes. From walls to floors, we'll make it shine, using patterns, texture, and design. Every corner, a work of art, capturing beauty right from the start. Welcome to the world where dreams take shape, colors intertwine, creating an escape in this harmonious blend. Come take your place in the realm of design, where every space is embraced. Rather love than stay in this harmonious blend. Come take your place in the realm of design, where every space is embraced.
Experience quality craftsmanship, transparency, and unparalleled dedication with Lam's Interior Design. Please call us now and start your journey with Lam's Interior Design.